Alright, so I just wanted to take a second to kind of go over something I had a problem with. A lot of bosses, you'll notice the hitbox is really weird between the two of them. Or between different bosses, the hitbox can be pretty varying. One boss you'll need to be all the way up in his shit, and the next boss you can be like way out here. And that's cool and all, but most of the time it's more annoying than it is anything else because it can cause issues where you take one step back and you're out of range. I mean, the difference is that far, literally. So Melee had to put a little bit of extra attention into how they do it. So what I did is basically created a weak aura that will tell you when you're out of range by creating something on the screen. I made it a red box that that shows up over the over my Rising Sun Kick. You can move it anywhere, change it to whatever you want. But just to go over quickly how to customize. First, if you copy this aura from me, what you'll need to do first is go to your load, change your player name to whichever character you're using. That's no good. It's not going to work if it's for me. We all know that. Now, to go into here, if you want to make a new aura instead of using this one, make sure you have it set to custom. Event type status, check on every frame. Now what this means is every frame it's gonna run this command in this box to check if you are in or out of range. Now what you'll need to do is on the first one you'll see it says custom trigger and then there's a box. Hit expand text editor and you want to change this Rising Sun Kick here to whatever melee ability, or if you want to use it as a range you can use it for like your Frostbolt. If you're out of range for your Frostbolt, this thing will pop up. If you're out of range for Sinister Strike, Shadow Bolt, Frost Strike, Obliterate, anything, this will pop up. So change it to whatever ability you want. You want it to yell at you that when you're out of range with that ability, you want it to say, or show the box. And you need to do that in your custom untrigger as well. Change Rising Sun Kick to whatever you want to use it for. Now basically this is Rising Sun Kick range is the same as melee range, so that's why I have it as Rising Sun Kick. I'm sure you could probably just put melee in that box, but whatever. You don't need to change anything else in there, just make sure all that is like that. You want to change the display, just go to your texture, choose, pick. There's all kinds of different things in weak auras. I have it set to red right now, so everything's red, but obviously you can change it to whatever color. And that is all. Get the shapes back. You can also, if you don't want it to be so, bold and in the way, you can change the opacity and whatnot in the color settings. If you don't want it to be as annoying and completely blocking everything like I have it. And that is all. If you need any help setting it up, just let me know.